Hello children, good morning to all. I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in our today's class, we will go through the topic that how we can create and printing labels in MS Word document. So for this, here our class begin. So children, in our previous class, we discussed about mail merge. So these topics of this session, one, what we have discussed, that how we can create main document, how we can create data source, entering data in the field, merging the data source with the document, and editing the individual document. These all things we have discussed in our previous class. Now our today's task is printing the letter and address label. Okay. So first is we will take one quick recap what we covered in our previous class. In our previous class we discussed about this mail merge. So this one is already created document. Last time we have created, so I am taking this one. Now for you I am taking one new with the shortcut key Ctrl+N for creating new document. Done. I'll copy. This one is my main document. So if you want to create main document, so what you have to do, we are clicking on this mailing tab. Clicking done. And here is the option start mail merge group. Here is the start mail merge. Click here, select letter. Two things are there in your syllabus, letter and labels. Okay. So click here. Steps are same for all. With this mail merge you can add email message also, you can do envelope, you can create label, directory and all. So I am selecting here letter. Now I am copied it the content from the previous one. Now you can type here na, so we can create this main document. So I am copying it from here. Ctrl+C is the shortcut key of copy. Move on to that location. Ctrl+V is the shortcut key of pasting. Now I am do the changes. If you want to do any changes, I am doing changes here. You can type your own name. Done. So it means our main data source is created. Now our second task in the mail merge is creating the recipient, means the data source to whom we want to send this letter. So for this, same mail merge tab. Here is the mailing tab. Here is the start mail merge option. Here is select recipient. Click here. Click on this type new list if you are not created previously. Here custom, all the custom fields are here. You can select or you can do the editing. These are the common fields generally people are using. If you want to change the sequence, click here custom column. Now here all the columns are there. If you want to add, delete or rename any column, you can select that specific column and delete this one. Yes. If you want to, here to option move up and move down. I want address 2 before address 1 in my database. So move up. Okay. Now click OK. You will check in the list also address 2 is there before address 1. Okay. Now start doing entries. With every time you will click on new entry, and with this you can do new entry. I want to find something from this one, from this database, then click on this find option, and from here you can do the find. Click here and then OK. Next one is this delete entry. Click here. If you want to, whatever entry you have selected here, it will delete that one. Done. Customize column. If you want to change that, or if you want to add your column, you can do it from here. Okay. Next is click OK, and with this your database is created. This time I am not creating any database. I am using previously what database we have created. So for this, click on this mailing tab. Here is this mailing tab. Click here. Here is select recipient in start mail merge group. Here is use existing list. Click here. When you are clicking there, you will select anyone from here. You will select your data source and then click open. Done. Now click there where you want to merge these fields. When you are inserting data source, these three buttons will be activated. Select anyone. I want place first name here, then space. I want to place with this last name, and after this I want to place this. Next field is your address, and after address 1 I want to place city. Okay, these are the sufficient one. And In this entire content, it is difficult for us to search that which one is the content of main document, which one is the content of data source. So for this, if it is not compulsory, if you want to highlight merge field, so you can do it from here. Now from our side data source is created, from our side main document is created. Next step is merging them. For that, finish group, here is finish and merge. You can, here three options are there: send email message, print document, or edit individual document. So I am selecting here edit individual document. It provides you the facility that you can edit the individually every document. Print document, it will give you the printout. Send email message with the Outlook, you can create these email messages. So I am clicking here edit individual document and I am clicking OK. When I am clicking OK, you will check what happened here. Here all the documents what I am creating there, what are the names are present there, it will take all these names. Okay, from that database it will take. So this one is our previous topic, only one name is there, so it will create only one document. Okay, with this you can do the editing in the individual, in every document, any document you can do the editing. So this one is the content, this one is our previous one that we have created. Okay, now we are using this one is the document. No, now we will go through our today's topic. Topic is printing these labels for your mailing list. First thing is, what is this printing label? What is this label, ma'am? How we can print them? So what is this label? In your school register also you have seen now that this one is your address label, this one is your address label. Here you are placing your address, so this one is your address label. Ma'am, is there any option available that my data source is ready? I want to make these slips. Okay, is there any option available in MS Word? By this we can create these labels. I have created this one is my invitation card, ma'am, and I don't have time to fill the entries here by pen individually. Okay, I want to make it presentable also. I want to fill entries. Why, is there any option available that it will give me those slips, and so that I can take those printout of those slip and paste it here? Is there any option available? Yes, my children, for this these are the label, how we can create this label. So our today's task is this one. For this, first we will go through, we will create one new MS Word document, and we are taking this one. This one is a blank document. So for creating label, again which tab is responsible for this also? Which tab? Mailing tab is responsible for creating labels. So we will go there in the mailing tab. I am clicking here. Here is the mailing tab. Click here. In mailing tab, here is start mail merge, and in this start mail merge group, click here. When you are clicking here, last step is step by step mail merge wizard. Children, we can do that letter mail merge also from here. Here you can see that so many, all the things are there. We want to create label, or letter also from here you can do. Okay, we want to create label, click label. Done. Here is step 1 of 6. Next, starting document. First step is completed. Total 6 steps are there. I am clicking here. Next step. Here is select the starting document. Starting document. Here means do you want to set up your mailing labels, means the layout of your document. Layout means design of that slip. If you want to change the design of the slip, or you can use from current document, start from existing one, or from the label option. So I am clicking here on this label option. When I am clicking here, you will check what happened. One new window will appear. Here all the option from here you can select a label vendor, anyone you can select. Okay, you can select anyone. I am selecting this one. So many product number are there. You can select any product and click OK. When you are clicking OK, now you will check what happened. It will show you the grid line that this is the portion of this slip, second slip, third slip, fourth slip. अब क्या करना है? We will take the data source. We will take the content from the data source, and we will, when we are merging them, so names are already appeared in these columns. Ma'am, it's okay, but we want to use this one. वी वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट आवर ओन. ये जो मैम जो साइज है ना इस लेबल का, साइज इज नॉट गुड. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक द साइज स्मॉल. मुझे इसका साइज स्मॉल करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू इंसर्ट मोर लेबल. इज देयर एनी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल दैट वी कैन डू द चेंजेस इन दिस लेबल सेटिंग? या फिर वो प्रोडक्ट में जो गिवन है वही आप इनबिल्ट यूज कर सकते हो. Children, you are having this option that you can do the changes in this label option. Here again we are on the same step. देखो I am clicking here. You can move on to previous step also. Label select किया. Now click next starting document. Step number 2. Here is label option. Change the document layout. Click here and here is the label option. When you are clicking here, again this window will appear. Here is the option new label. When I am clicking here, you will check this one is your slip. Now you can increase, decrease the height or width of the slip. With this, you can create your own label. Okay. So from here, you can click OK. When you are clicking OK, click OK. When you are clicking OK, in order to apply the selected label option, Word must delete the current contents. OK. Now you will check that label size will changed. So in this manner you can do the editing in the current label. So from this, with this step number 2 is completed. Click on next. अब देखो create हो गया label तो. Next is select recipient. अब हमें data source चाहिए. Step number 3 of 6 and here is use existing list. कोई already created data source है तो वो ले लो. If you are having Outlook contact, from there you can do, or here is the type new list. I am clicking here type new list and here is the option create. Click here. When you are clicking here, one window will appear just similar to your that letter. Okay, from here you can create your own data source. This time you can create it by yourself. If you found problem, you will tell this to me. I am using use an existing list already created. मैंने last time create किया था. I am clicking here browse. When I am clicking on this browse option, here's so many databases are there that I have created previously. I am selecting this one and then click open. When I am clicking open, here's a list of all the students. Oh, ये क्या हुआ? I don't want this one. So you can select this one and then click OK. If you are deselecting this one, तो वो specific record होगा, वो नहीं आएगा. I want all the records and now I am clicking OK. And with this step number 3 of selection of the recipient list, you can from your side done. Ma'am, this one is a list of my class. I want to call the students of other class also. For this, select a different list. From here you can do, or you can do editing in the current list. Step number 3 completed. Next, arrange to your label. I am clicking here. Here is the options. Now step number 4. We are on step 4. If you want to add this address block, previous I am going there on step 3. Selection done. Click OK. जैसे OK किया, this on all the labels next record is written there. Now next is arrange your labels. I am clicking here. When I am clicking here, few contents are there. Address block चाहिए, greeting line सबको देना है, कुछ ऐसा है. I am selecting here address block. When I am selecting this address block, one window will appear like this. ठीक है. Do you want to place any address line? From here you can select Mr. हुआ या कुछ भी if you want to place there. ठीक है. Now click OK. If you after selection click OK. When you are clicking OK, it means we are doing this one in first block only, in first label only. I want to do this updation in all the labels. So for this, click on update all labels. When I am clicking update all label, now you will check what happened. It will be updated in all the labels. Now from our side, this is step number 4 of session number 6. Or out of 6 steps, 4 1 be completed. Next step is next preview your labels. I am clicking here preview your label. You will check what happened. Whatever name I am writing there in that database, all the names are here. Okay. Now you can take the printout. With this step number 5 is completed. Step number 6 is next complete the merge. When I am clicking OK. Now from this देखो सारे labels आ गए. Now you can take the printout. You can take the printout directly from here. I am giving print, but I am not having this printer in my laptop. So what I am doing, I am clicking here, I am using one office notebook, I am clicking OK. Send to one notebook, I am using this one, is a feature given by this Microsoft company, this software. In this I am clicking OK, number of copies 1. It will show you that how it will look in during printing. I am clicking here, you will check this one. ठीक है, जब प्रिंट होता तो ऐसा डिस्प्ले हो जाता. Now you can take the print out, and with this print out you can collect the sticks, और you can take the labels from here. और उसको स्टिक किया, इसको यहाँ से कट किया, वहाँ पे जाके पेस्ट कर दिया. Or if you are having that slip, so you can take direct print out, it will be printed on all this that slips, and now you can take it from here and you can print it there. Are you getting my point? That is what is actually label. Labels are these address slips. You can create your own address label. Total 6 steps are there. For this, which tab is responsible? Mailing tab is responsible. Click here, mailing tab. Here is start mail merge. Last step is step by step mail merge. Now in this I will create new one. No. So for this, first we require one document, Word document. This one is my document. Click on this mailing tab. Here in this mailing tab, which option is start mail merge? Group here is start mail merge. In this last step is the step by step mail merge wizard. When you are clicking on this one, this window will appear on the right corner, mail merge window. In this you will select what you want. I want to create label, and here is step 1 completed out of 6. Next, starting document. When you are clicking on this next, change document layout. Layout means designing of this label. Click here label option. When you are clicking here, window will appear. From here you can select any type, and from here you can select any option and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, this view grid lines will appear. If grid lines will not appear, then what you have to do, click on this layout tab. Here is view grid lines. If grid lines will not available, then click on this layout tab. Here is view grid line. When you are clicking there, now grid lines are available. Means our designing is done. No ma'am, I don't want this one, I want to change the layout of the document, means I want to create my own. Then what you have to do, click on this layout option. Here is new label, you can select, or you can do the editing from here. You can increase, decrease, whatever the height, width you want, and then click OK. And whatever the changes you are doing here, it will be applicable on this one. I am clicking OK. Done. From my side, this label designing done. Now ma'am, I want this data source, means step 2 is completed. Next, select recipient, step number 3. So step number 3 is you can create your own list by clicking on this type new list and then click on this create. Same window will appear. You can do the entries from here. I am using this one already created. Use an existing list. Click on browse. Okay? From here you can select any option and then click open. When you are clicking open, here all the records are there. If tick means they are all the records we are inserting there. If you want to remove any record from here, you will select that one and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, okay, this one in all the records, next record is visible. Now step number 3 is completed. Step number 4 is next, arrange your labels. Click here. When you are clicking here, now we are on step number 4. You want to add any address block, any greeting line, you can place. Okay? Preview, it will show like this, that total 3 records are there. So in this, okay, if you want to place something there, so you can do it like this and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, means we are doing this updation in one block. I want to do this updation in all. For this, click on this update label. Update all label. What happened? It will do this updation in all the label. From my side, this one is step number 4 is completed. Now I am clicking next. Now step number 5. Step number 5, it will show you that all the recipient names are there. You can check that here. You will check. Okay, all the recipient names are there. Now we are on last step, step number 6. 5 done. Next is to complete the merge. I am clicking here. When I am clicking here to merge, now you can check everything is there. Okay, अब हमें सिर्फ कुछ नहीं करना, वी आर टेकिंग द प्रिंट आउट. सो फॉर दिस क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रिंट ऑप्शन, all the slips you want. So then click OK, and then here is you can select your printer. From here you can select your printer and then click OK. When you are clicking OK, with this your जो document है, this one is will be printed. Now this hard copy is there, you can take the slip, you can divide these slips and paste it there. Okay children, so with that your mail merge topic will be completed. Second session, printing and creating labels, will be completed. Now you can tell me if any problem is there. I will there to help you out. Okay children, now from my side this session is completed. If you tell me any topic, then I will go through that topic. Otherwise from our next class we will start with web applications. We will take one quick look on this one. ठीक है, हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट दिस लेबल. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया था, वी आर क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस मेलिंग टैब. चिल्ड्रन इन एग्जाम राइट इट इन प्रॉपर मैनर, दैट क्लिक ऑन मेलिंग टैब. मेलिंग टैब विच ग्रुप, स्टार्ट मेल मर्ज ग्रुप. And which option we will select, mailing tab, start mail merge group. Click on start mail merge option. Here is step by step mail merge wizard. Click किया. When you are clicking on this, select labels. ठीक है, right side one window will appear and then click on this label option. When we are selecting label, total 6 steps are there. First is next starting document. When you are clicking on this one, next is select label option, means that window will appear. ठीक है, so this one window will appear. From there you can select the label layout. From with this you can select the label layout. After selection of label layout, next is that grid lines will appear. ठीक है, and if grid lines will not appear, click on layout tab. Next is next step, next select recipient. Now label designing done, recipient we have to select. So for this select the next step, and there is select recipient. When you are clicking on this one, next window will appear. Next step में that 3 options are there, that create new one, or you can use the existing one, or you can use Outlook contact. So you can select according to you. If you want to create new, from create new list and browse for already created list. Done. Next is after selecting your file, click OK, and next step is check your list in the mail merge recipients dialog box appear. You can select that one and then click on next and arrange your labels. Next step क्या था, next arrange your labels step. When you are clicking on this one, next step is select your address block. ओके मैंने बताया था ना डेट यू कैन एड्रेस सेलेक्ट योर एड्रेस ब्लॉक. तो सब ब्लॉक्स पे एड्रेस ब्लॉक लिखा आ जाता है. देन यू कैन अपडेट ऑल द ब्लॉक्स and then click OK in the insert address dialog box. After updating all the labels, next is next step, next preview your labels section, and after clicking on next, last step is complete the merging step. Your step completed. Now you can take the print out of your this label section. So children, I know it is difficult for you to learn all these steps with from this PDF. For you, the most important thing is you will learn the concept that how we can do in exam. You can write it in your own writing. You will understand only the concept that how we can do, and it will help you out in the exam. So with this printing labels done, and before this one is your mail merge option, inserting merge field, and all these things we have done. So now with this session, this unit is completed. So if you found any problem, tell this to me. And thank you so much. Thank you for listening me. Do revision from these videos. Thank you class. Thank you so much.